Hey everybody, it's almost Easter time and I am so excited. This is a really special time of the year where we remember that not only did Jesus die on the cross, but he rose again. And that's what we celebrate on Easter, that Jesus is alive. And because he's alive, we can live with him forever. All we have to do is ask him into our hearts and tell him we're sorry for all the wrong things we've done. And he will come into our heart and live with us forever because he loves us so much. And Easter is so special that we get to celebrate and remember how much Jesus loves us. Now, we have some fun traditions on Easter where we get to open Easter eggs and have fun doing Easter egg hunts. But don't forget the true meaning of Easter, even though we're having lots of fun. Now, speaking of fun, I think you'll notice here that we have a bunch of Paw Patrol minifigures. Look at that. There is 30 Paw Patrol minifigure surprise eggs here. And they're from Nickelodeon, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. We got yellow ones, and green ones, and purple ones. And it is going to be so much fun to open up all of these surprise eggs. Up here it says, find the mystery bunny. Do you think we'll find it? I cannot wait to find out. So we are going to open up a bunch of these eggs. But we also have tons of other Easter stuff. We've got racing cars. Woohoo! These are the Paw Patrol egg racers. We made these last year for Easter, and it was so much fun. Woohoo! Marshall and Chase. Boom! Hey, let's see what's inside these eggs. I wonder what's inside. It's Tracker! You're our first surprise egg. I love it. Tracker's driving the Marshall vehicle. Woohoo! Whoa, you look good, buddy. Now who's over here then? Who's in this one? Let's find out. It's Robo-Dog. Oh, Robo-Dog, you look great. That is so cool. All right, let me show you some of the other Easter toys we have. There are so many. Here is our Marshall Flip Ease Easter bag. Watch this. When you squeeze up here, his ears flip. My son loves this Easter basket. Woohoo! He looks really happy. Meow. And you just squeeze up here where it says Flippies. And his ears flip. And inside we have all sorts of goodies that we're going to check out. Paw Patrol surprise eggs. Surprise blind eggs. Some toys, a Pez. We are going to have so much fun seeing what's in that Easter basket. And over here we've got the Marshall Easter basket. And he is full of Paw Patrol Easter eggs. They keep falling out, you guys. Let's see, can we get it in there? We did it. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better. Marshall's basket or Chase's basket?
The Marshall's basket.
Oh, we like the Marshall basket. All right, let's see what we're going to open up first. What's over here? Oh, this is cool. It says that it lights up. Let's turn it on. There we go. And it is lighting up, but I don't think you can see it. So let's turn the lights off and I'll show you what it does. Can you see it lighting up now?
Yeah.
Look at it changing colors. Whoa, and this is an Easter egg from Easter Treasures. Wow, it kind of looks like a diamond. That is so cool. I love it. It's so shiny. But we've got some Easter eggs we've got to open up. So let's get the lights back on. Over here, we've got some Easter eggs and we've got our Easter grass. Here is our chocolate. Can't have an Easter basket without a chocolate Easter bunny. That looks delicious. And we've got, Easter bunny Pez candy. Oh, yummy. I love these Pez candies. And we've got some eggs. Let's see what's in here. It's a frog. It's a stretchy little frog. That's super cute. But I am dying to get one of these open. So let's go ahead and open up our first Paw Patrol Easter egg. Ready to find out what's inside?
Yeah.
It looks like the egg is actually two different colors. One side is purple and one side is blue. That's pretty cool. And it's got a paw print on it just for the Paw Patrol. What's inside? Oh, it's like a blind bag inside. Can you tell who's in there? I see some yellow. Do you think it's Rubble? It's Marshall. It's a superhero Marshall. That's so cool. I love it. I didn't know they were going to be superhero pups. Very neat. All right, so we've got the first surprise toy. And let's open up another one. Here we've got a yellow and blue egg. This one has another blind bag. I think I see blue and yellow. Do you know who that is?
Rubble.
It's Chase. It's the superhero Chase. Now we've got two surprise pups. Very cool. I can't wait to open up the rest of these. Do you think we'll find the surprise mystery bunny?
Yes.
That would be cool. These eggs are so neat. I'm having so much fun, you guys. It's Rubble. So we've got Chase, Marshall, and Rubble. Superhero pups. And they're going to help Apollo. Ooh, let's open up one of these. What's in here? Ooh, candy. We've got Tootsie Rolls and Double Bubble Bubble Gum. Here you go, pups. It's a small Easter snack. Yum, yum. This one is blue and purple. And we're going to get it open. Which pup will we find now? I see yellow. And I think it's red. It's another Marshall. So now we have two Marshalls. He's winning. I wonder which pup we'll get the most of. You think it'll be Marshall or maybe Chase or Rubble? And it looks like Marshall's winning. Whoa, we've got 3 Marshall pups. Here we go. We're going to open up one of these. Hey, it's a little ball. Whoa, it kind of bounces all over the place. Whee! Here you guys go. Here's another Easter surprise for you. And we've got lots more eggs back here. So let's keep opening them up. Who do you think's inside? Another Marshall. You're kidding. We've got 4. Whoa. All right, you guys, I don't think you can beat Marshall. I don't know if it's possible. There's an egg inside here. That's silly. This surprise was a surprise egg. Ooh, another bouncy ball. This one's green. Boing. Whoa, it's going all over the place. Here you go, Chase. You keep an eye on that ball. And another Easter egg. Is this going to be another Marshall?
Yeah.
Let's see. No, it's Sky. Woohoo! We got another pup. We've got Superhero Sky. Very awesome. Here you go, Sky. You sit next to Chase. And here's another egg. Ooh, Starburst candies. Let's see what colors we got inside. What are your favorite colors, Starburst? Mine are pink and red. Ooh, we got a red one and an orange one. Delicious. Here you guys go. And we've got some more eggs to open. Will we find all the pups? Woo! It's Rubble! Rubble on the double. So now we have 2 Rubbles. He's starting to catch up. And there we go. We still need a Zuma, a Rocky, and a Mystery Bunny. Here's Chase. Here you go, buddy. Oh! Here is another Paw Patrol egg. It's another Chase. Ha! He's starting to catch up. Chase has 1, 2, 3. Rubble has 1, 2. And Marshall has 1, 2, 3, 4. So Marshall's still winning, but Chase is super close. This egg is green and purple. Sky, you've got 2. 1, 2, just like Rubble. And see, can we get this one open?
Yes.
Here we go. Yellow and blue egg. I think I know who's in here. It's another Chase. Now Chase is tied with Marshall. They both have 4. There's only 3 eggs left right now. Let's see who it's gonna be. Another Marshall. Whoa, 5 Marshalls. That is so many. 5. Here we go. Another Rubble. We'll never find Rocky and Zuma now. I wonder, last one. Here we go. Who could be in here? Rubble, Rubble on the double. All right, let's count everybody up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Rubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Marshalls. 1, 2, 3, 4 Chase. And 1, 2 Skies. Wow. But don't give up hope. Look at this, you guys. Over here, we've got another tray of eggs. And we are going to be opening these up on our Growing Little Ones surprise toys. So make sure you keep an eye out on our Growing Little Ones surprise toy channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see these opened up, click the link up in the corner. There's a little link right here, and it will take you to our surprise toy channel. We are going to look for Rocky and Zuma and the surprise mystery bunny. I don't know if we'll find them, but we are going to try. Now, right now, I've got to go clean up this big mess. Whoa, so many eggs. So, you guys have a great Easter. And remember, the real reason for Easter is celebrating how much Jesus loves us and that He's alive. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys.